So first and foremost that we'll have here is the short text. For every dump analysis we'll be having a short text and what happened. So in the what happened we can clearly see what's the issue and why this error has been missed. What can you do? So note which actions and entries cause the error to occur. Consult your SAP administrator. So this is what we have. Now there is a role area, guys. So in the role area is maximum up to somewhere around 10 lakhs to 15 lakhs. Okay, classical role area per user and internal session. So per internal table we can have these many records. If the record number of records in internal table goes beyond this, automatically it will go to the dump analysis, dump error. Okay, so this is how it has been adjusted, set. So here you'll have the error analysis. After the error analysis, how to correct the error. So you can also click on these things like short text, you'll get it. Error analysis, you'll come down. Instead of scrolling, you can just select this. So how to correct the error? So you can select this and you get this. How to correct the error? Role area 0, extended memory this much, assigned memory, heap memory is this much, short area, paging area is this much. So all these are the details. So if you can just go through them and we can understand, we will be able to fix it. Okay, so we'll be able to fix it by going through the how to correct the error information. So now what happens is, like, it was trying to this program was trying to get too many records into the internal table, which was not accommodated by the system. So instead of using, see here, 517, number 417, have you select star from this one into table where Belnadin is underscore Belnadin. So what exactly the user did is, the user tried to get access all the records from the internal, from the database table. Okay, it's a view actually. So the user tried to get the data, all the data into the view, and maybe they might have not given any records, any input records in the Bellner also. So because of this, there were too many records, too many, and that's the reason system went into error. So in the loop, okay, once it enters into the loop and write statement, it throw an error. So in this program, here, if you want to get into the program, you can directly click on this heading. So here we have source code extract. So when you click on the source code extract, directly it will come here. Okay, so let's say we are here. Okay, you just want to directly go to the source code, you want to see the source code. Instead of scrolling like this, you can just click on the source code extract. Directly it will come to your program. So in the program you can just check what exactly happened. Content of system fields. These are the contents of system fields. Chosen variables. These are the list of the programs that got triggered in the internally in the backend. Okay, maybe this is a front end program, that's a Z program, but backend we have a lot of programs that got created here. Now when we go for the internal nodes, the basis, so this is the termination was triggered in functions. So why it got triggered and what exactly, this is the explanation for the basis administration team. So list of web programs affected, active calls in kernel. So this is all basis developer view, directory of application table. We have application control blocks. These are application. Now in this, the system environment user, directly what we do is whenever we have this, we'll go for what happened and we'll read it. Then we'll go for this source code extract. In this like source code extract, where exactly at which line we have this error also we'll analyze. So based on this, we'll go ahead and get the data. Okay, so we can fix it, like we can fix it up at this particular row. So the exact error occurred in this line, in this row, 20th row. And then why is it so is because we have huge number of records, so it was not able to accommodate, so immediately it got swiped. So we can see here very clearly how many events can get bit together. So these are the settings guys. System environment. Okay, so we can just see the system environment if it is required. So what is the system environment in which we have this issue? We can clearly see this. And then user and transaction. Who is the user? 81 user 10 is a user. And which transaction code? So in the transaction SUI in INT. So SUINT is nothing but SU38. SU38 is equivalent to this SUINT. So we'll execute and then we'll get that. So we have what happened. So what happened? An attempt was made to add rows on internal table. There was no memory space. What it means is there were too many records in the internal table. So what can we do? So consult the system administrator. Either you can increase the size of it or decrease the internal table size. Short text. Okay, no memory. Error analysis. No more rows could be added to the internal table. How to correct the error? So here the role area, heap area, and all these things are given. So if you want to correct this error of the internal table or decrease the records, then if you go to information, so information is like in this particular program, in the startup selection, we have this issue that get triggered. Source code extract. This is the source code extract. Contents of system fields. These are the system fields. Okay. Chosen entry variables. These are the chosen variables. Active call events. These are the active call events. List of web programs affected. These are the list of web programs. Active calls in SAP kernel. Directory of application team. So to understand this basis developer view, we need to know the basis terminology, because if we know the basis terminology, it will be easy for us to understand here. That's the reason this one will not go into it. All these things you can understand, guys. So this is very important. Once we get dump analysis, we can. It's very important for us to analyze it and know what exactly is the issue, and then we can fix it up. So which transaction did I go into? I went into ST22. S as in ST22. ST22, where you can see the dump analysis.